Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. I got a brand new 2019 Eclipse Iconic. So come on inside, let's take a peek at this thing. This is the model 21. So back in the back, you've got your electric bed that comes down from the top. It comes down to actually part way. So then these fold down to a bed, but also folds up against the wall. Your ramp door, obviously. You got your table that's removable here. You got nice big tall cabinets so you can get a quads or like a razor in here. A lot of storage space there above. Control panel here, your stereo, DVD player, all your controls for your water heater and your temperature and stuff. Got a nice big sink on this side. Same thing, cabinets up, good height. Storage above. Storage below, you got drawers, nice solid wood. You got your oven, 3-burner, microwave, automatic refrigerator, freezer there. Spot right here for your TV, flat screen TV, you can mount it on the side here. Got more storage above us there. You got a nice big height. So big tall guy can fit in here. You got a corner shower right here. Big tall, like I said, this is tall. Look how tall that is. So got toilet, sink right here, little vanity right there. A lot of room in here. And then you got your closed bedroom. We got a little corner bed actually, which is kind of nice because you can walk around the whole thing. Here's your exit window. You got storage above up there. Ports here for your plug-in. You got ports over there, lighted. Under here you get storage in the front bay. Here's a coat hanging closet. You got your spot for a TV in here. More storage there. Like I said, pretty high, pretty good in here for a small trailer, 21-footer. But these are light. I mean, the 6,000 dry weight, so double axle. This is actually aluminum frame, aluminum walls right here for the siding is aluminum, so they make the fiberglass version or the aluminum. Electric awning, the back ramp door. You got the nice solid brackets here with all the good hinges. Got a nice locking both sides, big door latches. Overhead up there with the lighting. And on this side is your fuel station right here. Your hoses, here's where you put your fuel in. Water right here, power cord here, water heater, more water. This is your all the way through storage compartment, goes underneath. Got lots of storage. So this particular model actually has a spot in the front for your generator right here. Batteries go in the front. It's big tanks. And you can get an electric tongue jack if you like. We ordered it with just a manual kind. But they got the fiberglass cap on the front. But so nice little trailer, lightweight. So if you're looking for something half-ton towable, this is one of the ones we carry. We carry different brands. Of course, we sell fifth wheels, campers, toy haulers. I mean, anything we carry, travel trailers too. Come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.